The rise of niche technical education. A featured Kotlin deep dive course signals a strategic shift towards high-density platform-native learning. The featured promotion of Yiwun's practical Kotlin deep dive course on LeanPub is not an isolated event but a critical data point in the evolving technical education landscape.
This move highlights a deliberate pivot from generic programming tutorials to specialized, language mechanism-focused content that serves a mature developer base. The course's emphasis on unlocking the how and why directly targets senior Android engineers and architects seeking to optimize performance and master Kotlin internals, a necessity given its dominance in modern Android development.
This strategy leverages LeanPub's platform to capture a high-value audience segment that demands actionable in-depth knowledge over introductory overviews, creating a defensible niche against broader, less focused competitors like Udemy or Coursera.
Platform strategy. Curating for authority. LeanPub is transitioning from an open marketplace to a curated hub for authoritative, practitioner-led content. The contextual framework reveals LeanPub's strategic curation, positioning featured courses alongside high-authority texts like the Quality Coach Handbook for Engineering Leadership and Open Intro Statistics for Academic Rigor.
This creates a halo effect, where the featured Kotlin course inherits credibility from adjacent, vetted publications. The platform's content mix spanning software engineering, systems modeling in BSE, and foundational mathematics demonstrates a calculated focus on practical, enduring technical skills rather than fleeting tech trends.
This curation builds a trusted ecosystem for VPs of engineering and technical directors who are the primary decision-makers for team upskilling, effectively making LeanPub a sourcing platform for enterprise-level technical training and reference material.
Decoding the featured course's strategic fit. The Kotlin deep dive aligns perfectly with current demand for Android optimization and back-end Kotlin expansion. A strategic deep dive into the course's positioning reveals its alignment with two concurrent market forces: the consolidation of Kotlin as the primary language for Android development and its growing adoption in server-side environments, notably with Kotlin multi-platform and frameworks like Ktor.
The course tags Android, Kotlin, engineering, SQL Server explicitly bridge mobile and backend domains, targeting full-stack Kotlin developers. This content addresses the critical pain point of understanding internal mechanisms, which is essential for debugging complex coroutine flows, optimizing compile times, and integrating with databases like Microsoft SQL Server.
By focusing on fundamentals, the course offers durable value that transcends specific library versions, making it a strategic investment for engineers navigating both mobile and emerging server-side Kotlin ecosystems.
Verdict. Specialization as a sustainable model. Niche deep dive content will increasingly dominate the premium segment of technical education. The strategic verdict is that LeanPub's model of featuring high-specificity, deep dive courses represents a sustainable and defensible position in a crowded market.
The future of technical upskilling lies in verticalized, expert-led content that addresses the complex needs of senior practitioners, not in horizontal, beginner-focused material. The primary risk for this model is content discoverability and competition from corporate-sponsored training platforms.
However, the opportunity lies in leveraging this curated authority to build enterprise subscription packages and certification pathways. The next strategic step for platforms like LeanPub is to develop integrated learning paths that combine featured courses like the Kotlin Deep Dive with complementary texts on system design and software quality, creating a comprehensive platform-locked curriculum for engineering organizations.